I have a big surprise. I have something really big in this video. I don't know why I'm so excited, but just wait. Today, boys, I'm going to show you alternatives to jeans. Look, when it comes to casual pants, you want stuff that makes you feel more relaxed, more comfortable, without it being as stuffy and stiff. So today, these 5 alternatives will make you look good and keep you comfortable. Let's hop into it. Number 1, simple, sweats. This is an obvious one. This is a staple that should be in every man's collection. Look, when it comes to sweats, they're trending right now. That luxury athleisure is actually popping, so take advantage of that. What that means is that you can wear comfortable clothing and not feel stuffy at all, but still look put together. This is why I love sweats, and they're versatile enough that you can dress up and down. Shoot, our sweats sold out. Like, go to Essentials right now, we're wiped. Our entire heavyweight collection left. But I got good news, boys. This is where the good news and the giveaway comes in. Unlike anything you've ever heard. Yo, this March 12th, Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, not only are we restocking our heavyweight collection that's been sold out for months, we're bringing in 2 new colors, forest green and brown, which look sick. And both our heavyweights, our hoodies, and our sweats, those are coming back too. But we're bringing in new sweats. We're bringing in our classic cut sweat. So this is a straight leg, which just looks, bro, oh my God, it is money of a fit. And then those straight sets have a cinch at the bottom. So if you want that cinch look, it looks cool. If you want that classic straight leg opening, that looks even more sick. And we're also bringing in our heavyweight quarter zip, which, yo, money. And then we're bringing in our oversized tee, just like our heavyweight tee, but in a thinner fabric, something more relaxed as we start rolling into spring. Yo, like this collection slaps. But here's where it gets sick. See, a few videos back, I think 2 or 3, I asked you, we wanted to do a massive giveaway. So would you rather have $50K cash or a brand new Model 3 Tesla? I asked everywhere. Through my text message, I asked my pro members, I asked everybody, and overwhelmingly, it was the Tesla. See, the $50K, it wasn't gonna be 50 to one person, it was just gonna be split up like I usually do, just drop it in orders, or a brand new car. Now I know what you're thinking, yo, a Model 3, Jose? Yeah, a Model 3. I don't just want you to look drippy, I want you to be driving around drippy. So you're not only gonna be in Essentials head to toe, you're gonna have an Essentials nice car, basically. I want you to look good head to toe, bro. So, for this collection, boys, matter of fact, you don't believe me, I'm gonna call my guy up right now. All right, let me call my guy up. I just bought a car from this guy. Yo, Ryan.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
How's it going? Guess what?
Very good. What's up?
I need another car.
Oh, adding another car to the fleet, huh?
So, something a little better for the environment. I need a Tesla Model 3. What do you got?
All right, I got you. They don't call me Patron for nothing. I got, what do you want? What do you want?
A Model 3 Tesla.
Model 3? Are you
Make it
cash,
sexy.
Financing?
Cash.
Cash.
Bitcoin, the
All
man
right,
said
I like
Bitcoin.
that.
Cash.
I like that. Okay. I got a perfect one.
Okay.
Gray, black wheels. How about that?
Bro, send me pictures. Send me paperwork. We'll get it done today.
All right, got you, bro.
All right? Bro. Matt Gray? Yo. I'm telling you, boys, this collection's gonna be sick. This collection's gonna be insane. And now, you're getting a free Model 3? Bro, your first thing should be put that reminder on your phone. March 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern. We also have free shipping and free returns. Yo, what do you got to lose? What do you have to lose? I'm telling you, this collection, you don't want to miss it. Number 2 are what I call smart trousers. This is the type of trouser that it looks like a dress pant, but is using smart tech or smart fabric that's more comfortable, more breathable, more of a performance line. This that you're seeing right here is basically it. The beauty of it is it gives you that formality, but it gives you the comfort of a performance fabric. Smart trousers, if you don't have even one, which you should because with Essentials, I've dropped like 6 iterations of different styles and variations. And matter of fact, what you're seeing there, that's a sample for quarter 2. Now, it's not dropping March 12th. This was dropping in the second quarter of the year. Sick. I'm still tweaking it. But this is what a smart trouser should look like. It should fit right, it should feel right, and more importantly, you should look right. 3, tailored pants. So this is a formal version of the smart trouser where this one is actually a wool pair of pants. So here, the beauty of a tailored pant is that it is versatile. So if you get it tailored right, you can wear it with sneakers and a t-shirt, or you dress it up with a white button down and some dress shoes. See, dress pants, this is another staple. Even if you don't have an entire suit, I want you to at least have one good pair of trousers, whether that's in gray or in navy. I prefer gray. It just helps you dress it up. You can throw this on with almost anything that you have in your wardrobe. It's a better alternative to denim, and you look money. You look put together. And that status that you reach, bro, you can do that with a pair of like $50, $60 trousers and you look like $1,000,000. This rolls us on to number 4, a pair of chinos. Again, another great alternative. See, chinos made from cotton are woven in a fabric that's lighter, more breathable. This makes it a much more comfortable alternative to denim, and it's not as expected. Usually, again, when you get to a party or to a social event, most people will be wearing jeans. This is just a standard because this is what people are comfortable with. Having a good pair of chinos, this is where you can set yourself apart. Now, here you get 2 variations. With chinos, you can go for that classic cut. They're trending, they look sick. I recommend them. I've been wearing them all day long. Or you can go for a tailor cut. In my opinion, since you already have the tailored dress pants, taking care of that in your wardrobe, going for more of a full or classic cut on your chinos could be a great way to balance out your wardrobe so you have more versatility in fits, and you can be dishing out fits left and right that are completely different, and you keep people on your toes. You keep looking stylish. And finally, number 5, those are tech pants and cargos. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Matter of fact, I'm wearing those right now. Cargo pants and that tech fabric, they've been super popular lately, and they're crazy comfortable. They stay on me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wear these at least 2 to 3 times a week just because of how comfortable they are. They're breathable. Most of the tech fabrics are also water resistant, so you don't have to be worrying about stains, and they look good. Since they're in style, you can throw this on with almost any fit, and it looks like you're dishing out on-trend fits without you actually trying. When it comes to these, as an alternative to denim, it's way more comfortable, way more breathable, and in my opinion, it's also more stylish. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, March 12th, we're dropping our new collection with essentials, bringing in new pieces, doing a restock, and for those that purchase, the possibility of a Model 3, which, by the way, I'm gonna record when I drop it off to the lucky customer, bro. That's it for me today. See you next time.